Hello there. Friday saw a noticeably chillier feel to the weather, and the cold air is going to be in place through this weekend and beyond. But this weekend, because we're going to have some clearer skies and lighter winds, there'll be some more frost around, maybe more cloud arriving for the second half of the weekend as well. The colder air is in place on that north to northwesterly wind, but that wind is easing as we head into the weekend. Still strongest along those North Sea coasts, where there still could be the odd shower, particularly heading towards Norfolk and Suffolk. But even here, it may not feel quite as cold because it's not going to be as windy. Elsewhere, a lot of dry weather, a lot of sunshine around as well. A sunnier day likely on Saturday than we saw on Friday. But after a frosty start, temperatures are going to be slow to rise and probably sitting at 5 or 6 degrees for large parts of the UK. Second half of the weekend, I mentioned more cloud. It's going to come in from this weather system here, this low pressure, pushing these weather fronts very slowly in from the Atlantic, bringing more clouds into Northern Ireland, some patchy rain as well, and that will head into the southwest of Scotland, over the Irish Sea as well. Ahead of that, though, it's likely to be dry, and after a frosty start, we've got that cloud coming over. So even though the winds are light, it is going to feel cold once again, with the best of the sunshine, probably across northeastern parts of Scotland. And those temperatures, again, only 5 or 6 degrees. So it's really quite a chilly weekend on the way. We do have that area of low pressure and those weather fronts bringing some outbreaks of rain, though, overnight into Monday morning, and slightly less cold air, but it's not going to last because we get the colder air returning after the rain clears and the winds turn more east or northeasterly. There's the rain, and there is just a small chance of some snow over the Peak District, the Pennines as well, but it is generally rain. That rain tending to ease off, and as we get that easterly breeze, so we could see a few showers heading in from off the North Sea. The best of the sunshine, probably Western Scotland and Northern Ireland, and typical temperatures probably 8 or 9 degrees. Now that area of low pressure is going to move away, taking the wet weather away with it, and the skies clear. It could be a frostier start, I think, on Tuesday morning. And we're going to find a few showers maybe coming in from off the North Sea towards northeastern parts of England and eastern Scotland. But on the whole, Tuesday at the moment looks like it's going to be a dry day with some sunshine. But again, it's still cold. Temperature's about 6 degrees. Not really an awful lot of movement in the weather, which creates some uncertainty and some differences in the detail from run to run of the model. This is the picture as we head into Wednesday. Still got lower pressure out towards the east, a northerly breeze, maybe the odd shower around some North Sea coast. And then there's a weak weather front trying to come in from the Atlantic towards Northern Ireland and heading over the Irish Sea again. Still in the colder air, though, and those temperatures after some frost will be around 4 or 5 degrees in the afternoon. Now, the details keep changing. There's no consistency in the models from run to run in the outlook periods. The pressure pattern is no doubt going to change. Not quite sure whether there will be weather fronts bringing in some rain and the potential for some snow, or we're going to have clearer skies, sunshine and some frost. But one thing that the models do tend to agree on, we're staying in the colder air. It looks like it's going to stay chilly through the rest of the month and also into the start of December. Goodbye.